Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Cadillac XT5, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now, let me show you how we complete this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. In order to gain access to our wire harness, we need to lower the hitch beauty panel with a 7mm socket. This adapter is for the 4-flat wire harness we will be installing in this video. You can now remove this plug from the wire harness by pulling back on the red locking tab and removing the plug. You can now install the 4-flat wire harness. Re-secure the red locking tab. Now install your wiring bracket using the provided hardware. The tools will be a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket. You can now install your dust cover. Pass the connector through the bracket and wiggle it into place. You can now affix any loose wires to this existing electrical harness with the provided zip ties. Return the beauty panel when the hitch and wiring are no longer in use. That concludes trailer wiring for your Cadillac XT5. Please remember to practice safe trailering. We can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.